Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'll show you how to install SQL Developer on your Linux machine so that you can connect to your Oracle databases. The first step is to download the SQL Developer RPM from the below site. So I'll give this link into the description, or you can Google it and download it. I'll install this Linux RPM version for the RHEL 5. So if you don't have an account, you need to create an account, log in through your account and download the RPM. So log in from my account. This is the RPM for your SQL developer. So I'll install it. So the installation is done. Then the second thing you need to check is to check if you are having the JDK present. If you don't have, you need to install the JDK. And after installing the JDK, you need to install the RPM. I'll install the SQL developer RPM because I already have the JDK. If you don't have the JDK, I'll give the link in the description. You can download from there. So this is your RPM which we have to download, rpm-uvh followed by your RPM package name. So that is going through your installation of the SQL developer RPM. Once it is finished, you can connect to the SQL developer RPM. So now let's run the SQL developer using the below command SQL developer. So it is asking for the path for Java, so I'll give the path where the Java is installed, /user/java, your JDK version. So the Java path was not defined, that's why it was asking the path. So your Oracle SQL developer started. Skip this message. So that Oracle or SQL developer started now. So skip this tips and check this show on startup. Close this. Here you can see you can have Oracle tutorials, online documentations, SQL developer exchange, forums, everything. These are very useful things. From the drop down you can search the Oracle documentation, forums, everything. So the next step is, if you want to connect to your Oracle database, you need to create a connection here. So I'll create a new connection. I'll add one user, sys user. I'll give the connection name as sys, username, your password. You can also select save password here. So your role, what if you are using as a DBA, and you can select DBA. Then you need to, by default XC is a session ID, you need to give your session ID which you have created. So I created. Now let's test it once again. If you hit test, it will, if it is successful, you can connect to your Oracle database using the sys user. So it is connected. Now you can type in any command, it will work well, like if you are using in your SQL plus through the command line. So here you can see a very good display of the output as compared to the SQL plus CLI version. That's all your tables which we have selected. You can also run bash scripts by saving it here. That's it. That finished the SQL developer installation on Red Hat. Thanks for watching. For more videos you can log on to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/technologylair.